The Indian stock market plays a crucial role in the country's economic development. The very first role that it plays is capital formation. The market acts as a platform for companies to raise capital by issuing shares to the public through initial public offering or IPO. This capital is then used for business expansion, innovation, and infrastructure development, which drives economic growth. Stock market also mobilizes savings. It encourages people to shift their savings from traditional assets like gold and real estate into productive financial assets like stocks. This mobilization channels household savings into the corporate sector, which is essential for a growing economy. Stock market also provides liquidity where investors can easily and quickly buy and sell their shares. This liquidity is vital as it gives investors the confidence to invest, knowing they can convert their investment into cash when needed. Through the continuous interaction of buyers and sellers, the stock market determines the fair price of a company's share. These prices reflect the company's performance, market sentiment, and future prospects, providing a key benchmark for its value. The performance of key indices like the Nifty 50 and the BSE Sensex is often seen as a reflection of overall health and sentiment of the Indian economy. That is why it is sometimes called the barometer of the economy. A rising market generally signals economic growth and investor confidence, while a falling market suggests caution or a downturn. Stock market also helps in facilitating corporate governance. To be listed on an exchange, companies must adhere to strict regulations and transparency norms set by authorities like SEBI. This promotes good corporate governance, accountability, and ethical business practices. Stock market creates wealth for individuals. The stock market offers a way for individual investors to build long-term wealth through capital appreciation. A capital appreciation is an increase in the stock's value, where a dividend is a portion of the company's profits. It is a stock market that attracts foreign investment. A well-regulated and liquid stock market attracts foreign institutional investors or FIIs and foreign direct investment called FDIs. The influx of foreign capital provides a significant boost to the economy. The market offers a variety of financial instruments, including stocks across different sectors, bonds, and derivatives. This allows investors to diversify their portfolios and manage risk effectively. Stock market also helps in creation of employment by helping businesses grow and expand. The stock market indirectly contributes to job creation. When companies raise capital and invest in new projects, they hire more people, thereby reducing unemployment and boosting this economy.